Good morning, students. So today again we are going to deal from the chapter 1 only, that is the sets. Sets ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, vast ಇದೆ. So here few topics are there from the sets. What are those today we are going to see is that, or we discuss are subsets, proper subset, power set. Very important topics. Now we are going to study or know about the subset. Subset ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಾವು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಇವು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ದೋಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. Subset. What is the meaning of a subset? Sub is the unit or the part of some big thing. So for example, Empower College. Empower College. Empower College is a big set. Is a big set. So in this one, we can divide them. We can divide them. First PUC, A division. First PUC, B division. First PUC, C division. Try to see. ಈ ಎಂಪವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ, ಇದು ಎಂಪವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC A division, first PUC B division, first PUC C division. So Empower College is a big set that I can see denoted by E. In this one E, there are what? A, first PUC A, PUC A, second PUC, first PUC B, and first PUC C. So these are the elements. What are the elements of the set A? There are, this is the big college. In these are the first year. Now comes the second year also. Second PUC is also present in this one. So and so. These are the classes of Empower PU College. Empower PU College like ಯಾವ classes are first year ಮತ್ತು second year. So now only the first year ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I am talking or discussing about the first year. So if I discuss about the first year, then first PUC A is the subset of Empower PU College. First PUC B is the subset of Empower PU College. First PUC C is the subset of Empower PU College. Because these are the parts or contained. I can say it may be the part, it may be the contained. So it is contained in which college? Empower PU College. These first year, second year, that is first PUC A, B, C are contained in the Empower PU College. So first PUC A is the subset of, that is nothing but the Empower College E, and first PUC B is the subset of Empower College, and C is also. So how can I write? I can denote it. That is nothing but first PUC A is the subset of E. First PUC B is the subset of E. First PUC C is the subset of E. So these are all the subsets of, that is nothing but the Empower College, or these all classes are contained in the Empower PU College. If those are contained in this one, then we can say separately how we can define them is first PUC A division is the subset of which one? That's the Empower College. First PUC B is also the subset of Empower PU College. First PUC C is the subset of Empower PU College. Okay, so these are all the, I can say those are the subsets. So now I'll define it. One I'll give the example. Now how we define the subset. Let A and B B, two sets. Let A and B be two sets. A is contained. A is contained in B, in set B. Then we define A is a subset of B. Then we define A is a subset of B. Two sets are there. One is set A and the second one is set B. Be the two sets. A is contained in B. A elements ಗಳನ್ನು B ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, or it is contained. Then we define A is a subset of B. And how we denote? We denote A is the subset of B. Or we denote that A is the subset of B. Okay, have you understood? A. For example, you can see A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Have you understood? Then 1 is present in B, 3 is present in B, 5 is present in B. Is it? Then A is completely contained in B. A and edra contained adava B na. So therefore A is a subset of B. Then I can say A is a subset of B. It's okay. So when the A is having these elements, B is having these elements, then we can say A is contained in B, and therefore we define A is the subset of B. What? A is the subset of B. Okay. Now we'll see how the subsets. Few points regarding the subsets. Now note. So what is it? Every empty set is a subset of any set A. 5 or empty set ಗೆ ನಾವು 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, or this we denote it. These two are the subsets of any set A. Is it? ಯಾವುದೇ set A ಗೆ ಯಾವ subset ಅದ, that is the 5 will be always the subset. How we write, which I will show you. Now next, A is the subset of A. A is the subset of A. Every set is a subset of itself. So ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ನನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ A is the subset of A. Every set is subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. Now come to the next one. Now next comes A is a subset of B. Try to see A is a subset of B and B is the subset of A. Both are subsets of each other. There are the two sets. One is A and another is B. Both the sets are subset of each other if and only if and only if A is equal to B. Both the sets are equal. A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Now there are the two sets. One is A. Elements are 2, 4, 6. Another set is B. Elements are 4 to 6. So both the sets I can say equal sets. ಎರಡು sets ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. What I can say that they are equal sets. If they are equal, then if the two sets are equal, then A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A. This is important point in this one. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ A ಅನ್ನು B ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, B ಅನ್ನು A ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳದಾವು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? Null set is always the subset of any given set A or any given set ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು or set A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Now A is the subset of A or any set is the subset of itself. Any set is a subset of itself. If the given set is A, then A is the subset of itself. Then third one, A is the subset of B, B is the subset of A. Both the sets are subset of each other if and only if A is equal to B. A is equal to B and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, B is equal to 4 to 6. We know that the A and B are equal. They are equal. 2 is present in B and also the A. 4 is present in B and also A. 6 is present in this. So then we can say that they are the subsets of each other. Now one more example. A is equal to 2, 4, 6. B is equal to 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So whether these two are subsets, you see here. So A is having the elements 2, 4, 6. B is having the element 1, 3, 5. So A is not contained in B and B is not contained in A. Try to see. A is not contained in B. B is not contained in A. A B ನಲ್ಲಿ present ಇಲ್ಲ, B A ನಲ್ಲಿ present ಇಲ್ಲ. In such condition, A is not the subset of B and B is not the subset of A. So how I write? A is not a subset of B and B is not a subset of A. So they are not the subsets of each other because they are not contained. A ಅನ್ನು B ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, B ಅನ್ನು A ನಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾಗ ನಾವು A ಮತ್ತು B ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A is not the subset, not subset ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This is the symbol for not a subset and this is the symbol for not a subset. Have you understood? ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ how we draw, in this way we denote those. Is it clear? Now one more comes the important point. Now this is the symbol of subset. This is the symbol for subset. This is the symbol for subset. This subsets connects two sets. The symbol or the symbol is the subset and it connects the two sets. Okay. Now comes one more. Belongs to. belongs to. This is the symbol for belongs to, and this connects two elements, ಏನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಡ್. Here this symbol is for the belongs to. It is not concerned with the set, but it concerns the elements of the set, whether the elements belongs to that set or does not belongs to that set. So this is the difference between the meanings which we use in every problem also of a set. Subset is also used and also the belongs to. Now come to the examples. If set A is given, elements are A, B. Write the subsets of the following. Write the subsets of A. Write the subsets of A. So what happens? ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದಾಗ we have to count the elements. What are the elements? n of A is equal to how many are there? N of A are how many? 1 and 2. N of A is 2. So now ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ there. Subset, number of subsets, number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n. So how many n are? N is equal to n of A. What? How many? 2. So I am going to write 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? 4 ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Now try to see how I am going to write. So given is 4 subsets should be written. So first one is A1. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು null ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. That is null. Now come to the next one. Next one. A2. 1 elements ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So I write singleton. This one is A. A3. Next one is B. Now A4 comes 2 elements. So directly the subset of every set is a subset of itself. So itself means what I have to write? The same set, that is A, B. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. n of A ಎಷ್ಟದ? 2 ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 raised to n. n ಅಂದಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. I have to substitute. How many elements are there? 2 are there. So 2 raised to 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? 4 ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ A1 ಅಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ wrote null set. A2 ಅಂದಾಗ 1 ನಾವು ನಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ I have to use one element from the set, that is A. Second element is what? B. So these two I have used in the singleton. Then comes 2 elements. So this is 2 element is nothing but AB. Now one more I will show you. One more example. Write the subsets of the following. If the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See how many elements are there? First we have to check. N of A is equal to 3 and number of subsets is equal to number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n. 2 raised to 3 is equal to how much? How many? 8 subsets we have to form. How many are there? 8 subsets. So next first one is A1. Now ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ first should be null set. So null set. Now singleton. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. Single elements ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. A2 is equal to 1. A3 is equal to, next element is 2. So I am going to use in the singleton set, that is 2. Then comes A4. Third element is that too I have to write in the singleton. Then this is 3. Then comes two elements. A5. First 1 in start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 ಮತ್ತು 2. So two elements. Then A6. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Then come to the second element. What is the second element? That is 2. Reverse ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. Reverse don't come to the reverse. Go move. First element 1 ಅದ 1 2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ next element ಯಾವುದು 2 ಅದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what I have to take 2 3. Next is 2 3. Now we are not going to come reverse. 3 2 3 1 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. Finished. So 2 elements we have finished. Come to the 3 elements. Now last one is 3 elements. What is the 3 elements? 1 2 3. So this is the subset of itself. 8th one is the subset of itself. So null is, now points ಬರ್ತಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, that is the null set is the subset of every set, and here the set given is A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಅದು null set ಅನ್ನು ಇದರ subset ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now come to the next one, singleton elements ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. So how many elements? 1 2 3 are, we have to use those elements as a single element and form the set. So this is the singleton, this is the singleton, and this is also the subset of A, this is also the subset of A, and this is also the subset of A, because they are contained in the set A. Now come to the next two elements. So two elements, come to the first element 1 2, first ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 3 next ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 3 next ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, go only you have to move towards the forward movement. Then comes 1 2 3. So how many subsets we have to form? We have to form the 8 subsets, and these are the subsets we have formed when the elements given are 3. When the elements given are 3. Okay, in this way we form the subsets. Have you understood? Now come to the next comes the topic, that is the proper subset. What is the meaning of proper subset? So come to the next topic, that is the proper subset. Proper subset. Now this I'll write the example, then I'll explain you. A is equal to 2 3 4. B is equal to 4 3 2 7. Is it okay? Now you can check whether the elements of A and B are equal. They are not equal. So A B sets are equal sets illa. But A is the subset of B. First point, A is not equal to B. Why they are not equal? Because 7 does not belongs to set A. Yav belong agodilla? 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present. Which one is not present? That is 7 does not belongs to A. Adanannu set A belong agodilla. So therefore A and B are not equal. Now come to the second point. Whether A is the subset of B? Yes, A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B. So in these two sets, now A is not equal to B, but A is the subset of B, then A is said to be, then set A is said to be a proper subset, is said to be a proper subset. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಎಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೆಟ್? ಎ is said to be a proper subset of B. Okay. Now next comes the power set. Power set. What is a power set? Very important definition. Very important. What is a power set? A set is said to be power set. Is said to be a power set. If it is the collection of collection of all subsets. Power set is a set of collection of all the subsets. Example, you can see. Example, A is equal to AB. So A subsets ನಿಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತದೆ. A1 is what it is? Null set. A2 is A3 is singleton set. A4 is set itself. So these are the subsets of which set? Set A. Power set ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ P of A. How we denote it? We denote it by P of A. Now I am going to write the power set. Power set of A of set A is denoted by P of A. Then P of A is equal to collection of, it is the set and it is the collection of all the subsets. Then I will write what is the first one is the null set. Then comes set A. Then comes set B. Then what comes? Then set itself AB. So therefore, what is a power set? Power set is the collection of all the subsets of a given set. So in given set ಯಾವುದು? A. ಇದರ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ P of A is equal to set symbols use ಮಾಡದ. Set symbols we have used. All the subsets, these are the subsets where I am going to write in this set. And first one is the null set. Then comes the singleton sets. Then comes the, how many subsets are there? 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this collection of the subset is a set, and that set we say it as a power set. This setting now ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ power set. Is it? Have you understood? So power set of A, B, C. Now Write the power set. Write the power set of A is equal to A, B, C. It is given. Then what are the subsets? Subsets of A. A1 is null set. A2 is singleton A. A3 is singleton B. A4 is singleton C. Now two elements. A5 is equal to AB. Now sixth one, AC. Now seventh one, BC. Eighth one, ABC. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3 elements are there. This implies 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 subsets ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದವು. So these are all the subsets. Now you have to write the power set. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ power set ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So how I write the power set? Power set is denoted by A. Then how I try to see power set of the given set? First one is the null set, then A, then B, then C, then AB, then AC, then ABC. Then close this set. This set ಅನ್ನು close ಮಾಡಿ. So what are the power set? Power set, you know it. So it is the set of collection of all the subsets. So subset ಬರಿವಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಸೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 subset, this is 2, 3 subsets ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. Subsets are the elements of power set. Are the sets of power set. Okay? Is it okay? Have you understood what is a power set? Now few examples will deal on this power set. Example 1. If n of p of a is equal to 32, if number of elements of the power set are 32, then find the number of elements of set A. Power set naga given what is given, you try to see what is given. Number of elements of the power set. So n of p of a is how much it is? 32. We have to find the number of elements given in the setting. Set A nalli ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು? Is it? Now first this 32 You are knowing only n of a is equal to 2 raised to n anta. N of that is 32 is equal to n of a is equal to 2 raised to n. So ಈ 32ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದು ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಟೂಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s. So ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ಅದ? 1 2 3 4 5. It's okay. 5 is given. Therefore, now you are knowing only n of p of a is also equal to 2 raised to m. ಅದು ಕೂಡ 2 raised to m ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದು ಕೂಡ. So what I have to write is 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 5. So ಈ 32 ನ ಎದ್ರಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. What I have converted into 1 2 3 4 5. So ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 5. You are knowing if the bases are same, base is equal to same, then powers are equal. So when the base ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. So what is the value of power? Power is nothing but n is equal to 5. So how many elements are present? How many elements are present in the set A? Set A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. Therefore number of elements in set A is 5. How much it is? 5. Okay. Now, if it is given 16, ಇದನ್ನು 16 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ? If it is 16, so what I have to write? 16 now. Same thing. If the given is 16, so what I have to do? I have to, the 16 is divided by 2. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So how many 2 are there? 1 2 3 4. So therefore 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 4. So what are the elements? N is equal to 4. How many elements are present? Therefore number of elements of set A is equal to 4. So in this way, when the number of elements of n of that is the power set are given, then we can find the number of elements present in the set. Yavaga that is what is the power set? Power set are the number of collections of all the subsets. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? 32 ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು? 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 16 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎದ್ರಾಗ ಅದಾವ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ನಾಗ ಅದಾವ. ನಾವು ಅಂದಾಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? 16 subsets. It's okay. What are the subsets? Null set, singleton set, 2 set, 3 set. Idhanalli 4 elements in the fourth one is the 4 elements in one set. It's okay. So in this way we have to find the subsets when the number of elements that is the n of p of A is given. Number of elements of the power set is given. Okay, come to the next example. If if x is equal to 1 2, if x is equal to 1 2, right p of x, right, p of x. So what is the p of x? Power set of x, power set of x. So you are knowing only x is equal to given 1 to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 subsets. ಎಷ್ಟು subsets ಗಳನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? 4 subset. So x1 is equal to null, x2 is equal to 1 singleton, x3 is equal to singleton, and x4 is the set itself. So I have to write the p of x. Our new p of x ಬರೀಬೇಕು. p of x is equal to, therefore p of x is equal to collection of subsets, collection of all the subsets. So first one is null, second one is 1, second, then the x itself, So in this way, when the set is given, if you want to write that is the power set, and this is the power set. It's okay. Come to the next example. Third example. How many elements has p of a? How many elements does p of a? How many elements has p of a? If a is equal to 5. If a is equal to 5. Set A is given set A is equal to null set. So how many subsets we are going to form? Yes, subset ಗಳನ್ನು form ಆಗ್ತಾವ. So subset is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is 0. 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 0. So this implies 2 raised to 0. Any number its power is 0 means value is 1. So it is 1. So ಎಷ್ಟು subset form ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಒಂದೇ subset. A is equal to null set is the subset. So power of set P of A is equal to what it is? Null set itself, null set ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Power of set is nothing but null set. So how many elements? Only one element. Therefore P of A, how many elements are there? One element. P of A has one element. Okay. Simple ada. So idannalli subset. If the set is contained, I have explained about the subset. What is that? If A is the set, if it is contained in the B, then A will be the subset of B. Then come to the proper subset. A and B are what they are? That A and B are the subset, but A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. In such condition, set A is defined as the proper subset. Now comes the power set. Power set andre enu? What is the power set? It is the collection of all the subsets. All the subset is called as the power set. Okay. Today you just go through this video. Very important topics are there. You just will see it. If you are not understood, come to the college and you may ask on the phone also. That I'll explain it and follow these notes and the examples. Okay. Thank you, students.